1-minute revision of the topic discount versus rebate. Discount refers to a price reduction offered by the seller to the buyer. Rebate is a kind of refund provided to a buyer by the seller in form of money. Discount is provided before or at the time of sale, whereas rebate is provided after the sale is complete. Discount is mainly provided to promote large quantity purchases, timely payments, and increased sales, whereas rebate is used mainly to encourage repeat purchases and to resolve product quality issues. A discount has an impact on the invoice amount. However, a rebate does not have any impact on the invoice amount. Some discounts are applied even before the invoice is generated. However, all rebates are applied after the sale is completed. Trade discount is not shown on the income statement, but cash discount is present on the income statement. Rebate amounts that are small and related to sales appear on the income statement. Let us explain discount with the help of an example. Suppose a retail store offers a 10% discount on all new purchases made during a weekend sale. During the sale, a customer buys clothing worth $200. However, at the time of the payment, the cashier applies the discount and reduces the total amount to $180. This is a discount provided to encourage immediate purchase and boost the total volume of sales. Let us explain rebate with the help of an example. Suppose a customer purchases a new Toyota and encounters issue with the vehicle's transmission within the warranty period. Now the customer reports the issue to the Toyota's customer service and provides necessary proofs and documentation. As an acceptance of their mistake, Toyota offers to fix the issue for free and offers $500 rebate as a compensation. The customer receives the rebate in form of a check or direct deposit as they want.